Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a US set Paclock model 95G 40mm brass padlock, solid brass body, solid brass shackle. Beautiful lock. Dead core, dead shackle. Just an absolute gem. Got this as a gift from Phantom Fuego. Really good friend of mine. Thank you, Phantom. And I'll dedicate this pick to you. I'm going to use this custom pick right here from Rock Out With Your Lockout. And this top of keyway tensioner. 50 thou from Covert Instruments. Excuse me. All right. Beautiful. Ka-cha, Slade! Like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, catch you later, guys. Thank you.